Hello YouTube, Sam Graham here, and today I'm going to be going over while loops. And so before I get into while loops, I'm going to have to create an integer that will count the numbers inside the while loop. Okay, so let's actually assign it right now to 0. Alright, now that that's assigned, I'm going to explain to you what a while loop is. Okay, while this is true, keep doing this over and over again. So as long as this is true, then keep doing this over and over again. So we are gonna need something that's true, and essentially that's the only thing that can be compared right here. So what kind of true statement can we say about counter? Well, it's less than 5. That's a true statement. Okay, so let's print out the counter variable is, and let's actually just put the counter variable in there. Okay, so it will keep doing this over and over and over and over and over again as long as this is true. Well, that would actually put it in an infinite loop, considering the fact that we are never changing this. So we actually, what we should do is change counter by adding 1 to it each time. This is called incrementing a variable, and each time it goes through this loop, counter is 0 plus 1 equals 1, so counter becomes 1, and essentially it increments it by 1 each time. You can increment it by however which number you want, but essentially the best way to do it is just by 1. Yeah, so since 1 is the best way, they actually came up with a shortcut called counter plus plus, and this will just add 1 to it each time. And let's see what happens. So we got compile, and then let's do Java music run. So the counter variable is 0, yes. Adds 1 to it, goes through the loop again. The counter variable is 1, and it keeps going. Well, once it gets to 5, well, 5 equals 5, and it's not less than, so that means it's false. And what will happen is it'll skip this line of code and go to the next one, or this whole block of code and go to the next thing. Where I don't have anything here yet, so it just ends the program. Notice how taking this and putting it in different places is actually can change the context of what is printed out on your screen. So it's 0 going into the loop, but it becomes 1 before it gets printed out. That's why you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just important to think like that. You can mess around with it. I'm going to show you something kind of cool. If you change this, well, I guess it's not that cool, but if you change it, it's just going to skip it altogether and end the program right then and there. Also, something that's even cooler in my opinion, which will be the last time I'll run this program, is that if it's an infinite loop, this is what it looks like. The variable 0. Yeah, so essentially that's while loops for you. In the next video I'll explain what a do while loop is and go over a lot of different more options on what you could compare. So if you're interested in that, please check my next video out, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.